Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that's generating quite a bit of buzz, the Pro F13 GPS drone. This is a sleek black quadcopter measuring in at a decent size, about 12.2 by 12.2 by 4.72 inches, making it substantial but still manageable. One of the headline features the manufacturer highlights is the camera. It boasts a true 4K HD camera, promising superior image and video quality. For anyone looking to capture stunning aerial shots, this is a major draw. The detail and clarity you can potentially get from a 4K sensor are fantastic for both photography and videography, allowing for crisp visuals from high above. Beyond the camera, the Pro F13 really pushes the boundaries with its remote distance. We're talking an extended 3-kilometer range here. That kind of reach opens up a world of possibilities for exploration, letting you fly far and wide to capture expansive landscapes and perspectives you simply couldn't get otherwise. It provides a real sense of freedom and adventure during your flights. Flight time is another critical factor for any drone pilot, and the Pro F13 doesn't disappoint here either. It offers a solid 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This prolonged aerial adventure capability means you have ample time to compose your shots, explore your surroundings, and really make the most of each flight session without constantly worrying about the battery running out too quickly. In terms of build, the drone is described as robust and reliable. It's built to last, designed to hold up even under demanding conditions. This suggests a durable construction that can withstand the occasional bump or less than perfect landing, giving pilots confidence in its longevity and performance in various environments. Controlling the Pro F13 is said to be intuitive. The controls are easy to learn, making it beginner-friendly for those just starting out in the world of drones. But it's also rewarding for experts, implying there's enough depth and responsiveness for experienced pilots to appreciate and utilize its full capabilities. The inclusion of GPS is a key feature here, providing stable flight, reliable return-to-home functions, and precise positioning, which is invaluable for both new and seasoned flyers. Being app-controlled adds another layer of convenience, allowing for easy access to settings, flight data, and camera controls right from your smartphone. The long battery life, as mentioned with a 30-minute flight time, further enhances the user experience, minimizing downtime between flights. Overall, the Pro F13 GPS drone presents itself as a capable and accessible option for anyone looking to get into aerial photography and exploration with some impressive specs like that 4K camera and extensive range.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.